Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to deal at the first meeting in Standard Arabic. First of all, if you would like to say hello, it's just easy. A piece of cake. Marhaban or assalamu alaikum. How you would reply on this phrase. Very easy. Wa alaikum assalam, or you can say the same word marhaba. Okay, let's say how you can ask how are you. How are you is just easy. كيف حالك. This is if you're talking to a man. But if you're talking to a female, it's gonna be a little bit different. كيف حالك. Key. That's it. So, how we answer this question? Very easy. I'm gonna give you a simple phrase. أنا بخير. So we can say أنا بخير, and this is for both man or a female. So, let's ask about where are you from? من أين أنت؟ من أين أنت؟ من أين أنت? If you are asking a female, it's gonna be a little bit different. As I told you, we're gonna change the subject pronoun right here. من أين أنت? So, very easy answer. أنا من, I'm from. Just keep it in your mind. أنا من, I am from. أنا من مصر, I'm from Egypt. أنا من أمريكا. Whatever you want to say. Let's finish this short conversation and we would like to say goodbye. مع السلامة. Keep it in your mind. مع السلامة. مع السلامة. And see you at our next videos. مع السلامة.